Marvel Refrigerator Model MARE224IS41A repairs. Marvel 24-inch built-in counter-depth compact refrigerator with 4.6 cubic feet capacity, glass right hinge, with door lock, crisper drawer, ENERGY STAR certified, ADA compliant, dynamic cooling. Repairs. For the home, kitchen and beyond, Marvel manufactures appliances that homeowners have come to trust. Even a trustworthy appliance requires occasional maintenance or repair, however. If you're in need of Marvel appliance repair from experienced professionals, your local appliance helper can help. Unit does not operate. Lack of power to the unit or display. Check power to the appliance and power at the main power board. Display blank. Lack of power, display off, faulty display. Attempt to turn on display, check for incoming power to appliance and display. Compartment temperature to cold.